Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. This beauty came in today for a color, a retwist, and a style. So I'm going to show you guys all of what I did and even the products that I used to get to the desired style. So as you can see, this particular client had color already on her locks, so I wanted to go in with a really soft lightener. I used the Kenra lightener with 20 volume just to break down the dark brown that I used on her locks previously, and I'm going to lift this just enough. So to avoid hot roots, I'm only putting the lightener on the actual lock. I'm not applying the lightener on the root. And as I'm applying the lightener, I'm just making sure that every single lock is covered with the lightener. So now that the hair has been broken down and pre-lightened, I'm going to go in with the Kenra 6CN. And with this color, I'm going to be using a 30 volume developer. And because I left her roots dark, I'm going to go in and apply the color directly to her roots. And this will give enough processing time to break down the darker color on the roots, but it's still going to give a really nice soft ombre effect. Once I was done applying the color to the roots, I was then able to go in and apply the color to the rest of the locks. So now that her color was done processing, I then went in and shampooed and gave her a really good conditioner, and now she is going to get her style. And for her style, she decided to go with a 2-strand twist bob. So cute. And this pretty much sums up the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This style came out so cute and the color was amazing. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them down below in the comment section. And if you haven't already, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Oh my god, I love the color. It looks so nice on my skin. I love it. I was nervous. I was like, oh my god, that picture was kind of bright.
I didn't want it that bright, but yeah, I toned it down.
Oh, I like it. Thank you. Oh yeah. Watch when I come back to Instagram, I'm gonna be cute. I like it.
Got the Bobby.
Yes, I love it.
Good.